first developed country to approve the vaccine of 8 lakh doses were immediately available for use. August 22, it was reported viral infection case had England and declined UK. North America, virus arrived interstate in the 13 January 2020. Case was reported all North America and on 30 March 2020 per our world data. Confirmed cases have been reported interstate with the death of most any country and ninth highest per capita worldwide. COVID-19 death list pandemic US history, it was third leading causes death and US in 2020 began heart disease and cancer. From 2019 to 20 US life expectancy dropped by 3 years and the American 2.9 years and African American 1.2 years. White American, these affected have been persistent US death have due to COVID-19 in 2021 exceeded those in 2020. Interstate COVID-19 vaccine become available under emergency use in December 2020, beginning national vaccination program. First COVID-19 vaccine was officially approved by Food and Drug Administration 23 August 2021. 18 November 2020, while was case US had been declared COVID-19 variant BQ1, BQ11 had become dominant in the country. March 2020, case community transmission were confirmed across Canada. All it province and territories declared state emergency province and territories, wearing discussed implemented school and daycare closer and prohibition and gathering closer and non-essential business and restriction to entry. Canada severely restricted border access, barring traveler from all country with some exception. Cases surged from Canada, notably private British Columbia, Alberta, Quebec and Ontario. With the formation Atlantic bubble, travel restricted from area country formed 4 Atlantic provinces. Vaccine passport were ordered all provinces and 2 of the territories. Per report of the 11 November 2022, Canadian Health Authority saw surge in influenza while COVID-19 was expected rise during winter. South America, COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to have reached South America on 26 February 2020 when Brazil confirmed in case in Sao Paulo. By 3 April, all countries and territories in America, South America had recorded at least 1 cases. 13 May 2020 reported that Latin America and Caribbean had reported over the 4 lakh cases COVID-19 infection with 2,091 deaths on 22 May 2020, citing rapid increase in infection. Brazil, World Health Organization WHO declared South America epicenter pandemic as 16 July 2021. South America had a recorded 34,359,631 confirmed cases and 104,729 deaths from COVID-19 due to shortage testing medical facility. Believed the outbreak far largest than the official number of so. Virus was confirmed to have spread to Brazil 25 February 2020 when man from Sao Paulo who have been traveling Italy tested positive virus. Disease had spread to every federative unit in Brazil by 21 March. On 19 June 2020, countries reported 1 million cases, nearly 49,000 reported death and one estimate under reporting was 22.62%. Total reported COVID-19 mortality in 2020. 20 December 2023, Brazil with 37,519,960 confirmed cases and 702,116 death has been third highest number of confirmed cases and second highest death toll from COVID-19. World began only those of interstate and India. Africa, COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to have spread to Africa 14 February 2020 with the first confirmed case announced in Egypt. First Sub-Saharan Africa was announced. Nigeria at the end of the February 2020. Within 3 months, virus had spread throughout the continent as the last African and sovereign state have remained free of the virus. Reported first case 13 May 2020. 26 May appeared first. Most American countries were experiencing community transmission, although testing capacity was limited and most of individuals reported. Imported case arrived from Europe and interstate rather than China when virus originated. Many preventive measures were implemented. Different countries, Africa including travel restriction, flight cancellation and event cancellation. Despite fear, Africa reported lower death rate from the other than more economically developed region. In early June 2021, Africa faced third wave of COVID infection from with the cases rising 14 countries. 4 July continent recorded more than 2,51,000 new COVID cases, 20% increase from the period weekend, 12% increasing from January peak. More than 16 African countries including Malawi and Senegal recorded an uptick new cases. World Health Organization labeled Africa worst pandemic week ever. October 2022, who reported most countries on the African continent will missed the goal of 70% vaccination at the end of 2021. Ozonia. Empty cells and Coles grocery store in Brisbane, Australia in April 2020. COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to have reached Ozonia 25 January 2020, which first confirmed case reported in Melbourne, Australia. It was spread elsewhere in region. Australia and New Zealand were praised for handling pandemic comparison other than Western nation. With the New Zealand, each state Australia wiping out all community transmission virus several times even after reintroduction into community. Result high transmissibility under the Delta variant. However, August 20 Australian state of New South Wales and Victoria had conceded defeat their eradication effort. Early October 2021, New Zealand also abandoned elimination strategy. November and December following vaccination effort, remaining state of Australia excluding Western Australia voluntarily gave up COVID-19 zero to open up state of international border. Open border allowed to Omicron variant COVID-19 enter quickly in case subsequently exceed 1,20,000 by early March 2022 in case exceeding 1,000 a day. Western Australia considered defeat eradication strategy and open border. Despite record cases, Australian jurisdiction slowly removed restrictions such as close contact isolation, mask wearing, density limit by April 2020. On September 2022, restrictions were significantly relaxed. Aircraft mask mandate was scrapped nationwide and daily reporting transition weekly report. By 22 September, all states had ended mask mandate. Public transport, including Victoria, where mandated had lasted approximately 800 days. 30 September 2022, all Australian leaders declared to emergency response finished and announced end of the isolation requirements. And these changes were due to part of high levels and hybrid immunity to low-cost members. Antarctica, due to its remoteness of sparse population, Antarctica was last continent to have confirmed cases COVID-19. First case was reported December 2020, almost a year after first case COVID-19 were detection in China. At least 36 people were infected first outbreak 2020 and several other outbreaking taking the place in 2021 and 2022. International Conference Trade and Development ENSC was criticized for slow response, especially regarding UN Global Ceasefire, which aimed to open up humanitarian access to conflict zone. International Security Council was criticized due to inadequate manner in which dealt with the COVID-19 pandemic, namely poor ability, credential and international collaboration during crisis. On 23 May, appealed global ceasefire. UN member state observed signed non-binding support and statement June. UN Secretary Council passed resolution support in July. 29 September 2020, at the International Monetary Fund help to certain countries via debt relief fund, also called countries increasing contribution to develop vaccine. WHO spearheaded the initiative such as COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund raised to monetary and money of pandemic response and the UN COVID-19 supply chain task force and solidarity trial investigation potential and treatment opposition of disease. COVAX and program co-led by the WHO, CJV and Coalition Epidemic Preparedness Innovation CEPA aim to accelerate development, manufacture and distribution COVID-19 vaccine. Warranty fair and equitable access across world. Restriction worker unloading boxes medical supply and air basis. Donated medical supply received from Philippines and pandemic shock world economic with especially severe economic damage. Interstate Europe, Latin America. Consensus of report American intelligence agents and April 2021 conclude effort contain and manage virus campaign reinforce nationalist and transcend global sum of state turned to inward of protect their citizen and sometimes cast of blame and marginalized group. COVID-19 inflamed partnership on polarization around the world. Bitter arguments exploded over how to respond international trade and distributed amid the formation of no entry enclaves. Travel restriction. Pandemic led by many countries at the region imposed quarantine entry ban or other restriction either for citizen reason traveler affected area for all travel worldwide damaging travel sector. Effectiveness travel restriction was questioned. Virus spread across the world. One study found that travel restriction only moderately and affected initial spread unless combined with the other infection prevention control measure. Research concludes that travel restriction are most useful early and late past the epidemic and restriction of travel from Wuhan unfortunately came to late. European Union rejected from the idea suspending epidemic seasonal influenza respiratory syncytial virus RSV SARS-CoV-2 throughout North America. United Kingdom patriotic inspection also began to spike beyond pre-pandemic level, albeit with different illness such group of A at streptococcal infection and resultant scarlet fever mid-December 2022. 19 children UK had died. Strep A and wave inspection had begun spread in the North America mainland in Europe. Repatriation origin foreign citizen. Several countries repatriated their citizen and diplomatic staff from Wuhan and surrounding area primarily through the charter flight and Canada, interstate, Japan, India, Sri Lanka, Australia, France, Argentina, Germany and Thailand were among the first to do. Brazil and New Zealand evacuated their own nation and other. March, South Africa repatriated 112 South Africans who tested negative, while 4 who are showed symptoms and were left behind. Pakistan declined evacuated in on 15 February, US announced would evacuate American aboard Diamond Princess cruise ship and 21 February, Canada evacuated 129 Canadians from ship. Early March, Indian government began repatriating citizens from Iran. 20 March, United States began to withdraw some troops from Iraq. Impact economic. A pandemic response to damage global economy on 27 February 2020. Worries about the outbreak cruised under US stock in Texas posted the sharpest fall since 2008. Tourism collapsed due to travel restriction, closing public place including travel attraction and advised government against travel. Airlines cancel flight while British region and airline flight and collapse. Cruise line industry was hard hit. Train station, ferry ports and closed. International mails dropped or was delayed. Retail and sector faced reduction in store of hour or closer. Retailer Europe and Latin America faced traffic decline 40%. North American and Middle East retailers shop 50 to 60% drop. Shopping center faced 33 to 43% drop. Foot traffic in March compared to February. Mall operators and around the world coped with the increasing sanitation, installing a thermal scanner to check the temperature sharper and cancelling events. Hundreds of million jobs were lost, including more than 40 million jobs in the US, according to report by Yelp. About 60% US business and closed while stays and permanently. International Labour Organization ILO reported that income generated first 9 months 2020 from work across world dropped 10.7%. Rupees a dollar of 3.5 trillion. Supply shortage. Pandemic fear led by panic buying, emptying groceries, essentials such as food, toilet paper and bottled water. Panic buying stemmed from perceived threat and perceived scarcity of fear, unknown coping and behavioral, social and physiological factor. Social influence trust. Supply shortage were due to disruption to factory logistic operations. Shortage were worsened supply chain distribution from factory. Port shutdowns and labor shortage. Shortage continue to manage underestimate and speed economic recovery after initial economic crash. Technology industry particularly warned by delay from underestimate and semiconductor demand vehicle and other products. According to WHO Secretary General Tedros Ghebreyesus, demand personal protective equipment PPE rose and 100-fold, fishing frames 20-fold. Stock were exhausted everywhere. In September 2021, World Bank reported food prices remained generally stable and supply outlook remained positive. However, poorest country witnessed sharp increased food price, reaching highest level which since pandemic began. Agricultural commodity price index stabilized in the third quarter and remained 70% higher than January 2021. By contrast, petroleum products were in surplus and beginning pandemic demand. Gasoline and other product collapsed due to reduced commodity and other trips. 2021 global energy crisis was driven by global surge and demand. World economic recovery by energy demand was particularly strong in Asia. Arts and culture heritage. The performing arts and cultural heritage sector were profoundly affected by a pandemic. Both organization and individual operations have been impacted global by March 2020 across the world under varying degrees and museum, libraries and degrees and performance Venus and other cultural institutions had been indefinitely closed in their exhibition, event and performing cancelled, postponed. UNESCO report estimated 10 million jobless worldwide and cultural and creative industries. Some service continued through the digital platforms such as live streaming concern and web-based arts festival. Politics and the pandemic affected political system, causing suspense and legislative activity, isolation or death. Politicians rescheduled election, although they developed broad support among the epidemiologists and NP non-paramedical intervention were controversial in many countries. In electoral opposition came primarily from other fields along with the heterodox and epidemiologists. Brazil pandemic and the response Brazilian politician led to widespread panic, confusion, pessimism in Brazil when the question regarding record death by country April 2020. Brazilian president said that I am types are that one into about it. At the discredited WHO recommended mitigation technique instead downplayed risk of virus promoted increased economic activity, spread misinformation about the efficacy and mask vaccination public health measure, and distributed unproven treatment including hydrochloroquine and ivermectin. Series Federal Health Ministry re-signed and disseminated after the refused implemented the disagreement between federal and state government led by a delayed response rapid spread virus exacerbated and pre-existing social and economic disparities and country employment investment and evaluation Brazil at the record low, and the Brazil was also heavily affected by Delta and Omicron variant. Height of outbreak spring 2021, 3,000 plus Brazil were dying per day, and the Silva under the 2022 president of election widely credited by farmer mishandling in the pandemic. China multiple provincial and level administration Chinese Communist Party CCP were dismissed over their handling quarantine measures. Some commentators claimed to move the intended protest. CCP General Secretary Xi Jinping US Intelligence Committee claimed that China intentionally underreported COVID-19 caseload and caseload of Chinese government mandated that acted as swift transparent. Journalist activist China who reported pandemic were detained by authority including the who were arrested tortured at the solitary during COVID-19 pandemic 26 March 2020. Early March 2020 Italian government criticized EU lack of solidarity with Italy. 22 March 2020 after the phone call Italian Prime Minister the Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered Russian army send military medics and disinfection vehicle and the other medical equipment Italy. Early April Norway EU state like Romania and Australia stated the offer help of sending medical personnel disinfectant and European Commission President as the offered official apology to the country. Interstate anti-lockdown protest and railed to State House of 20 April 2020. Beginning mid-April 2020, protesters objected by government imposed business closure and restricted personal and movement assembly. Simultaneously, essentially worker process unsafe condition and low wages participating brief general strike, and some politics analysts claimed that pandemic contributed President Donald Trump 2020 defeated. Outbreak prompt and called the United States adopt socio-politics and common in other wealthy countries including universal healthcare, universal childcare, paid chicken level and higher level funding public health, and Kaiser Family Foundation estimated that preventable hospitalization unvaccinated and American second half 2021 cost of $13.8 billion. There were also protests regarding vaccine mandated interstate. January 2020 US Supreme Court struck down OSHA rule mandated vaccination for testing recommend all companies with greater than 100 employees. Other country number of journalists imprisoned or detained increased worldwide. Some detention of were related pandemic planned NATO defended 2020 military access Germany Poland the ballistic status largest NATO war access since the Cold War was held by reduced scale. Iranian government was heavily affected by virus which infected some 2 dozen of parliament member and political figure. Iranian president at the wrote public letter to wrote later asking help vote in March 2020 due to lack of access international market. Saudi Arabia which had launched military intervention Yemen March 2015 declared ceasefire. Diplomatic relation between Japan and South Korea worsened with South Korea criticized Japan appears passive and quarantine effort. Japan announced travel from South Korea must quarantine 2 weeks. South Korean society was initially polarized. President Moon as the response criticized many Korean signed a petition calling Moon's impeachment praising and response. Some country passed emergency legislation. Some commentators expressed concern that could allow the government to strengthen their grip of power. Hungary parliament voted the allow Prime Minister by decree infinitely and it suspended parliamentary election and punished those deemed to have spread false information. Countries such as Egypt, Turkey, Thailand, opposition activists, government critics were arrested allegedly spreading fake news. India journalists criticizing government response were arrested by issued warning police and authorities. Food systems pandemic disrupted food system worldwide, hitting a time when hunger and undernourishment were rising, and the estimate 690 million people lacked food security in 2019. Food access fell driven falling income and lost remittance and distribution food and production. Some cheese food price rose and pandemic accompanying lockdown travel restrictions slowed movement by food aid. According to WHO, 811 million people were undernourishment in 2020, likely related followed COVID-19. Education student take end of the year exam. Iran during pandemic impacted education system. Many government temporarily closed education institution often replaced by online education. Other countries such as Sweden kept the the school opened as the September 20, approximately 1.077 billion learners were affected due to school closure. School closure impacted student, teacher and family with far-reaching economic and social consequences. They shed light on the social and economic issues including student debate, digital learning and food insecurity and homelessness, as well as such as children care, health care, housing, internet, disability service. Impact was more severe disadvantaged children. Higher Education Policy Institute 50% student claim worsened. Mental health result pandemic. Health pandemic impacted global health many conditions. Hospital visit fell. Visit for heartbreak symptom declined by 38% of the US and 40% of Spain. Head by Cardiology University Arizona said, "My worry of some these people are dying home because they are too scared to do hospital. People with stroke, appendicitis and wear losses and likely to seek treatment. Medical supply shortage impacted many people. Pandemic impacted mental health, increasing anxiety, depression and post-traumatic stress disorder affecting healthcare worker, patient, quarantine individual." Late 2022, during the first northern hemisphere autumn, winter and season following widespread relaxation global public health measure, North America and Europe experienced surge respiratory virus co-infection of both adult and children. These formed beginning of 2022-23 patriotic care crisis ward. Some epidemic seasonal influenza respiratory virus RSV SARS CoV-2 throughout the North America. United Kingdom patriotic infection also began spike beyond the pre-pandemic levels, albeit with a different illness such as Group A, epidemic seasonal influenza respiratory syncytial virus RSV SARS CoV-2 throughout North America. United Kingdom patriotic infection also began to spike beyond pre-pandemic level. The first developed country to approve the vaccine of 8 lakh doses were immediately available for use. August 22, it was reported viral infection